How to change your Facebook password? It's very simple. So first and foremost, all you have to do is open your Facebook application. Then tap on the three-line icon at the top. From here, go ahead and tap on the setting gear option. Select the option of Meta Account Center. Right here on the account setting, you will see password and security. Tap on it. Then at the top, you will see change password. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Then select your Facebook account. Now you have to re-enter your current password. If you have forgotten it, don't worry, you can tap on forgot your password and you can follow the instructions to regain or create a new one. Now, after you have entered your current password, then enter your new password. Once you have entered it correctly, you have to rewrite your new password for confirmation. Once you do that, tap on change password. You'll be notified that your password has been changed. Next step, you can select all of the logged in device either to log out or stay logged in. Either choice is yours. However, Facebook will automatically expire the season and you have to re-enter your password to log in to your Facebook account. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.